Capillary electrophoresis. Capillary electrophoresis is carried out in a tiny tube known as the capillary tube. The capillary tube is in contact with two reservoirs and a detector. To understand how capillary electrophoresis works, let's break it down step by step. In the first step, we place the sample molecules inside a reservoir. Now we connect a power source and apply an electric field. The sample molecules are immediately attracted by the oppositely charged electrode. So they march through the capillary tube toward the oppositely charged electrode. The detector detects the movement of these sample molecules and sends signals to a computer. The computer reads these signals and displays them on a graph in the form of peaks. Capillary electrophoresis is more advanced technique compared to gel electrophoresis. Molecules are separated with the help of an electric field. The sample molecules can either be neutral or have a positive or negative charge. Thus, capillary electrophoresis can separate both charged and non-charged molecules. The separation of molecules takes place inside the capillary tube. Capillary electrophoresis offers superior separation and detection of molecules. It delivers faster results. Capillary electrophoresis consumes less time and can be operated easily.